Understanding on. A simple preposition guide. The word on as a preposition is used for days, dates, and specific parts of the day. For example, I perform on Friday nights. She was born on the 21st. We were attacked on New Year's Day. I clean my windows on Wednesday. The word on as a preposition is used to show the way which something was done. For example, methods of travelling, like on horseback or on a ship. Or methods of producing, like on the barbecue or on the computer. The word on as a preposition is used for describing an object touching and or being supported by a surface. For example, on a table, on a window, on my head, on the toilet. Let's go into a little more detail when on can be used. We use on as a preposition of time in the phrase on time, which means not late. I've been on time all this week. For days of the week, specific days or dates, I always make the kids burgers and cookies on Saturday. On plus day plus part of the day. For example, on Friday night. I work as an Elvis impersonator on Sunday nights. Specific holidays, for example, Christmas Day, Easter Sunday, and bank holidays. I always go for a swim on bank holidays. On is used as a preposition of manner to show methods of travelling. For example, on foot, train, horseback, ferry, or hovercraft. I'm going to the mountains on horseback. Methods of producing. For example, computer, hob, phone, or barbecue. I'm cooking a feast on the barbecue. On is used as a preposition of place to show you are away from home. For example, holiday, business, a trip, or the run. It's time to go on the run, I think. Media. For example, phone, TV, computer, games console, internet, or radio. I'm researching the best sites for learning English on the internet. Page, chapter, section, map, list, or menu. Chicken isn't on the menu anymore. An episode or series. I'm on series 6 now. I love binge watching TV shows. On an island. I could live on this island forever. On a surface, for example, wall, door, table, floor, ceiling, or roof. There's a pigeon on my roof. On a body part, for example, arm, head, hands, face, or feet. It's cold. I've got 2 pairs of gloves on today. On a vehicle, for example, bike, bus, plane, train, boat, or ship. It's my first time on a cruise ship. On a floor, for example, the ground floor, second floor, or terrace. The girls' toys are on the second floor, mummy. For directions like left, right, top, or bottom. The lagoon is 17 miles on the left. On plus street name. My friend lives on Cedar Grove. On a corner when outside. I meet Ash on the corner and we walk to school together. On the planet. I'm the best boxer on the planet. And finally, near water, for example, the coast, the lake, the river, the water's edge. I love living on the coast. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar lessons.